Never give up, it's such a wonderful life. Don't let go. Never give up, it's such a wonderful life. Ooh. 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 Total darkness. Nice. My lights don't work or something? Like, what the fuck? Oh, they do. Like, dude, there you go. They work. Why is it so fucking dark in front of me? My fucking light doesn't work, does it? I think it does. Why is it so dim? I can... Hey? Why is it so dim? I don't illuminate this. Like, look at this guy right in front of me. It illuminates the sidewalk or everything or whatever, right? You can see like the light. You can see it. I can see it. Well, the camera maybe not, but I can see it. I cannot see mine. It has to. My fucking light bulb has to be broken. Like, there's no other way. I mean, I had light, and when I turn on the bike, light's there. So the only solution to this issue is that I have parking lights on only. At night, with fucking parking lights only. Right, dude, go like 30. You have no problem with those. Seriously, fuck me, man. I have to order a bulb and then change it. Now, changing this on this bike, let me tell you, it's not gonna be fucking funny. I can already see that, man. Dude, I never wanted to change the fucking light bulb. I know they have some like expectancy, but last a bit, dude. Seriously, I should have. I should probably order a few of them, just to fucking have a few of them, just in case. Like, nah, I'll order one or two, maybe two. We'll see. Anyway, I have lights actually. Yeah, that's the one. That's the thing, right? And probably I'll do like a compilation of what went wrong, because I didn't have my lights, but it wasn't a bulb. It wasn't the light bulb. That would be fairly simple, but it wasn't simple. So it wasn't a bulb. The bulb was fine. It was the connector block, the connector block, the female block that you put into the light bulb burned, and that's why I didn't have light. The light bulb was fine, right? So it burned, it melted, so I had to splice cables. I had to actually order the connector on Saturday. We have Monday today. On Saturday I had to order the connector, and I paid actually £5 to get it delivered on Sunday. But the connector itself costed like £6. The two of them. I bought two of them. I thought I'll buy fucking two of them. I mean, in case another one burns, I have another one. I don't have to go buy it. I can just splice the cables once more, right? There's nothing to worry about anymore. Yeah, once it came, it's, you know, everything was off pretty much. So it was like a 10-15 minutes job. Just strip the cables, attach them to like connector blocks. I didn't have a heat shrink, so didn't do that. Obviously, not gonna fucking bother with heat shrinks when I have isolation tape. And besides, loads of cables are with isolation tape, so somehow they work. Even during weather like, you know, rain. Not gonna bother. Something happens, I can just redo that, but now it works. Yeah, I have lights. I can see the light itself right now. No, it's not the best, but it works. It works for sure. I mean, it illuminates. It's not like cars, as I say. It's my lights are dim for fuck's sake, but you can see the light in front of me. I mean, there is light. It's not as good as these guys in cars, but it's alright. It's not bad. It's alright. I'm fine with that. As long as I have light. You know, in total darkness. In total darkness, yeah, very useful to have light. I have to slow down. So yeah, my light works. Changed the connector block, put everything in. Everything works, so that's fine. Yeah. Not difficult thing to do. It was more difficult to actually get the thing out because it was like stuck to the like light bulb terminal. It's called. I don't know how to call that. I'm gonna go to the left. I'm gonna go to the left of the through the city. Perhaps it will be faster. Someone fucking throwing cigarette butts at me today, like second time already. Dude, seriously. Yeah, but yeah, I have light. Yeah, that's the update. That's the whole story pretty much. So you started from total darkness to, well, I have light. Oh, and I pumped my tires, so I finally, like, my mileage should be better on the fuel I have available. Like, I had like 25 psi in my tires, but 25 psi out of 33. You know, and I didn't pump them for like, I don't know, half a year, something like that. So it wasn't bad. It's not that bad. Can I make it? Can I make it? There we go. So it wasn't that bad. And yes, I pumped it up, and the mileage should be better. The suspension, or rather the wheels, feel much harder on the bumps and on the starts, especially starts. You can feel them much more with less tire, with less air in the tire, I should say. You know, it muffled it, kind of thing, because the tire had less air, so it was kind of absorbing the impact better. Now it's a bit harder. No, it doesn't matter. My mileage will be better, and it should be 33. You know, by that's the recommended, or rather specified pressure from manufacturer, eh? Anyway, so that's the update of my light bulb, the whole connector thing. It's not easy to take out light bulbs from my bike. You know, there's very little space. Yeah, I cannot even fit my hand properly over there, and especially, you know, taking out the connector and stuff. Anyway, so that's that. Maybe you enjoyed the rant or whatever, the whole situation. If you like the video, you know, give it a like, subscribe, whatever. You know the drill on the YouTube. I don't have to say the same message specifically every time. Although I do say that you can visit the link below in the description, since there's my novels, ebook and stuff like that, Patreon over there as well. So yeah, I do recommend visiting them, in for curiosity's sake, eh? I will see you in my next vlog. Stay safe, have fun, blast out.